I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Today we're going to be making something that's been a regular side dish at my house for a long time. I picked up this bag of petite golden potatoes at the store the other day, and I'm going to show you how I use them to make a super quick, super easy, delicious side dish. First, we're going to get our potatoes washed up. We're going to get some water boiling in this Dutch oven, add some salt, and then we're going to carefully add our potatoes to the water. I let these potatoes go for about 45 minutes. I want to make sure that they're super tender. Now let's get them drained. Once I've got these potatoes drained, I'm going to add them to a Pyrex bowl. Needs to be something that's oven safe. Now I'm ready to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Today I'm just going to use my toaster oven. Next, I'm going to be using a potato masher to just get in there and bust these potatoes up a bit. I'm not trying to mash these potatoes, I just want to go in and bust each one up. As you can see, I'm leaving the skins on the potatoes. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And a couple tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to mix that around to make sure my butter, my salt, and my pepper are getting evenly distributed. For this next step, you're only limited by your family's tastes and your own imagination. You can add bacon bits, chives, sour cream, whatever you like. In this batch today, I'm going to add a little bit of ricotta cheese, and some mild shredded cheddar. If you just want your potatoes a little more plain, you don't have to add anything else. But I like to jazz mine up a little bit, and sometimes I even add a tiny bit of ground red pepper. For today, this is all I'm wanting. I'm going to go ahead and put a little more of the shredded cheddar on top and just leave it there. I won't stir that in. And now I'm ready to put this in the oven. If you're enjoying today's recipe and you'd like to see more like it, now would be a great time to go tap that like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Since these potatoes were already cooked when we put them in the oven, it just takes a few minutes to melt the cheese and get everything nice and hot. These look fantastic. Before serving, you can sprinkle some chives on top, if you're fancy like that. I can see some of my ricotta, my cheddar. These look amazing. Absolutely incredible. These little golden potatoes are so delicious, and you can use these in place of mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, fried potatoes, French fries. It's just a welcome change and something different. These little petite golden potatoes make an incredible side dish, and you can make them as basic or as loaded as you want to. I'm pretty sure everyone you're cooking for is going to approve. Don't forget to tune in on Thursdays for Something in a Pot. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.